ProMed's in the process of building multiple clean rooms right now, but one of the ones I'm really excited about is the one that we're going to use for low volume products and for high volume products.
We're able to take the product from prototypes and move that project design, validate the product so that the customer has the in-between for one cavity, two cavity production. So it will be a validated one cavity, two cavity cell. Prototypes is for form, fit, function, where a validated tool and validated product is for human use.
As many of our competitors have been purchased by larger companies, what's happened to a lot of small customers, they're being kicked out and they need a place to go. You know, because all products start out and all customers start out small and eventually build into something great. So ProMed's going to create a department that's specifically focused on these type of people, companies, and products. Today, a lot of the startups do not have a place to go, and ProMed's going to provide a home for their products.